While it's important to foster positive connections in your life, there may be certain individuals whose behaviors or attitudes can have a detrimental impact on your well-being. Here are 9 types of people you might consider re-evaluating as friends. The constantly negative. Friends who consistently bring negativity into your life can drain your energy and affect your own outlook. If someone is always complaining or being pessimistic, it may be time to distance yourself. The energy vampire. These friends tend to suck the energy out of the room. Whether they're always in crisis mode or constantly seeking attention, being around them can be emotionally exhausting. The fair weather friend. These friends are there for the good times but disappear when things get tough. A true friend is supportive through thick and thin, not just when it's convenient for them. The manipulator. Friends who manipulate or use you for their own gain can be toxic. If you notice a pattern of them taking advantage of your kindness or always making everything about them, it might be time to reconsider the friendship. The gossiper. Friends who gossip excessively may not have your best interests at heart. If they're willing to gossip about others, chances are they're gossiping about you too. The non-reciprocal friend. Friendship is a two-way street. If you're consistently putting in effort without receiving the same in return, it might be time to reassess the relationship. The chronic competitor. Healthy competition can be motivating, but a friend who is always trying to outdo you or turn everything into a competition can create unnecessary tension. The disrespectful friend. If a friend consistently disrespects your boundaries, values, or feelings, it's crucial to address the issue. A healthy friendship requires mutual respect. The unsupportive friend. True friends should celebrate your successes and support you in your endeavors. If you find that a friend is unsupportive or dismissive of your achievements, it may be time to find friends who genuinely want to see you succeed. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your well-being and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. If a friendship is causing more harm than good, it's perfectly acceptable to distance yourself or let go for the sake of your own happiness and growth. Goodbye, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.